Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. His name is Manish Tiwari, and friends, today I will show you the unboxing of Eyeball Rocky headset. Friends, I have ordered this from Snapdeal and I bought in 600 rupees. You can order from Snapdeal also or wherever you like. And here you can see Clarity headset Eyeball Rocky. And here it is written soft leather ear cups and here it is an adjustable headband, and this side you cannot see much, but it is written only Eyeball Rocky Clarity headset and some specification, and here MRP 600 rupees. And let's unbox it now. And I have forgot to tell you friends that this Eyeball Rocky I've opened first, but nothing there is in box. When I've opened it, only packings were there and nothing there is much, so you don't need to worry. And here you get a mic. It's very nice. It's made of sponge, I think, and inside some system is there. It is adjustable, you can turn it in any way, and you can turn this mic also in any way you like, inside your ear like this, anywhere. And here you get to adjust your volume. You can do up down anything in your volume as you like, then you don't need to touch mobile. And here you get two USB type C cable, and here you get one for listening music and one for speaking. And these are only in Eyeball Rocky headset. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all like this video, then please subscribe my channel, like this video, share and subscribe. Thanks friends, bye bye.